2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City.
Welcome back, y'all. Today we are definitely gonna be doing our hair, as you guys saw in the title. So, which brings us to today's sponsor, Beauty Forever Hair. So thank you, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring this video. Let's go and see what's in the bag. We have wig cap that's needed. And that's the goodie bag. 2 sets of wig cap. We got some nails, a wig band, edge band, and this, just showing you about the wig. And this wig is HD, glueless, 24 inches, water wave. I'm excited. All the wigs are secure, as you guys may know right now. Oh, feels good. So it's a new type of wig. The band seems different. Okay. 5x5 lace. Oh, look at that HD lace. You see the curl pattern? Oh. There is new band that they have. Still the same wig band. But I guess, let me see. Oh, so it's this right here. Breathable feeling. So it match ear shape, 4 times secure fit, and smart manageable cap. Perfect. Which is this right here. It's breathable as well. So we do have the strap. All my wigs I love with a comb. And then you have this to snug on your head. The lace is pre-bleach, which is beautiful, see-through, which you know it's through. It's like definitely HD. Look at that. So I'm excited for that. And it's a 5x5, so it's an easy slip-on wig. I am excited for that. I'm gonna show you guys how we go down. But in the meantime, I'm gonna take my hair, fix it. There's no need to I told you guys my hair is coming back. There's no need to what do you call it? Do anything. We're gonna bring all my hair back. Alright guys, I went and did my makeup so we can show you guys that this is a really simple and easy install. We're gonna add a wig cap on the head. It's an invisible cap. So I like to pull down my cap first and then bring it backwards. If needed, add makeup to it. Then we're gonna see how this wig fits. This is so easy. So this is the wig. You see that lace? Oh, I want to show you guys the lace so bad. Like, And then I love how it looks. Look at that, how thin, natural line it's giving. Are you kidding? Oh. Hold on, cause what is needed in this wig? Nothing, guys. Look at this, straight from the pack. I don't even think I'm gonna add anything but some mousse. I love this. Oh my god, listen, look at that lace. Look at that lace. What I like to do is go in with my foundation and even out where the cap is with the lace and give it an even straighter line. Look at that. This is gonna be my favorite slip-on wig. I can feel it already. I am not even gonna touch the lace, like no baby hair. We're gonna add some mousse. Listen, the water wave, it doesn't even need anything in the hair. Straight from the pack. This is straight from the pack. I am sold. Let me show you guys details before I get into attempting to style it. Like, I am completely sold. I could be running late and I just slip the wig on straight from the pack. Look at that lace without anything. Better. I'm sold, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see that? The lace. Nothing else. Now we're gonna add some mousse. Then we're gonna tie this down for a minute. This is completely optional.
But you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight? To paradise. Alright guys, this is the final look of this quick and easy install from Beauty Forever Hair. It's water wave, 24 inches, beautiful wig. I did nothing to it.
All I did, added mousse at the top. You guys see the lace is lacing. The curls are beautiful. If you look good, the wig is just amazing. I absolutely love the curl pattern. It is beautiful and easy on and off. It's a 5x5 closure. All you need is a little bit of mousse and that's it. Or you can just add it straight from the pack. It's the same thing. It is snug on my head. I love how it fits. I love everything about this wig. So this is it. You guys check the description. All the details will be there. Their official website will be there as well. So if you want to choose another wig or you want to grab two, then you have the option to do that. But thank you Beauty Forever here for sending this beautiful wig. And let's get into the cute part. Okay, you ready? Come on.
And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside,